Good morning, third grade. It's Wednesday, hump day. We're halfway through the week. Today is April 22nd, 2020, and today is my mom's birthday. So, all right, I will go through our lessons for the day. So today in reading, you're going to talk about making inferences. So when we make inferences, we look for clues from the passage and then our own experiences to help us figure out what happens or why something happens. Remember, it's like being a detective. So your work for today is presidential pets. Okay, and I do want you to do the strategy practice. So as you read, think of a question that you ask yourself while you're reading and write that. And so you'll read the passage and then answer the 4 questions. And there's some really interesting information about presidents' pets. So if you have internet, that might be something fun to research because it is pretty interesting to see some different pets that have lived in the White House. So that is your reading assignment for today. And then you are doing pronouns again, subject pronouns, back to the beginning of the sentence. Okay, and this time you have more than one sometimes. So Emily gave the books to Alex. So we can replace Emily with she. And then we have an object pronoun, the books, them. We can replace the books with them, and Alex, him. So Emily gave the books to Alex. She gave the books to him. So it says read the sentences, underline the common noun or proper noun, and then circle the pronoun. Okay, so remember, a common noun is just any noun, person, place, animal, or thing. So dog would be a common noun. And then a proper noun is the name of a certain person, place, animal, or thing. So if I was talking about my dog, Molly, then that would be a proper noun. So that's the difference between a common and a proper noun. Okay, your other language page, your little review page is like this. Today's Wednesday. So complete the analogies. So analogies are sometimes tricky, and I know Miss Lint talked to you about those. I know Miss Lint talked to you about those last week, I think it was. So lemon, yellow, lime, blank. So you got to think about a lemon is yellow. So what is a lime? So that would be an analogy. So you're doing that on 1 and 2. Number 3 is which words would be on the same page as the guide words odor and organ. So which of these words would come between odor and organ? And then 4 and 5 are correcting your 2 sentences. Okay, and then your cursive page will be again about owls. And sorry, that's the tomorrow's. Fringed and feathers. Okay, fringed and feathers. So write those nice and neat in cursive. Okay, then you will have your math page for the day. So it will look a lot like what we've done all week. It will be a minute math on the front. Okay, so you have a lot like your assignment was Monday. You have to write a fraction, expanded form, a multiplication, 2 digit by 1 digit. 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. So how many kilograms is 5,000 grams? There's a division problem. Number 6 is a number pattern. Number 7 is adding 3 2-digit numbers. And then 8 through 10, you're going to use greater than, less than, or equal to compare those 2 numbers. And then the back side of that page will be another fact practice. Okay, so that is your math for the day. So then you're going to work on your time capsule again. So I will show you today's pages. So it says you are not stuck at home, you are safe at home, and that's what's important to remember. So we're not, parents and adults aren't doing this to be mean, we're doing this to protect you. So this virus is very, very contagious, so that's why you have to stay home. and you don't get to go out and play with your friends. And it is a bum deal, and I know that because it's a bum deal for me. But it is important that you stay safe. So that you are not stuck at home, you are safe at home. So you're going to draw or write things around the page that show what you are doing to keep yourself busy. And then the back side of that page is our handprints. So you're going to put the handprints of all the people living in your home and trace those onto this page. It says in different colors. So that is the time capsule for today. And your vocabulary, I will review your vocabulary for the week. Praise. Praise is words that express approval or admiration. You are doing a great job with your distance learning. That would be a praise. Okay, and then admire, remember, is someone that you respect or look up to. So let's look at some examples. Okay, which would be admire and not admire? Would you honor someone? Yes, if you admire them, you would honor them. Do you appreciate someone that you admire? Yes, you do. Would you interrupt someone that you admire? Nope, you sure wouldn't. You shouldn't interrupt anyone. Would you ignore someone that you admire? No, you wouldn't ignore them either. And again, you shouldn't ignore anyone, really. And then understand. Yes, that would be someone you would admire. You would understand them. Okay, your vocabulary word for today is ponder. Something you think about carefully. It is a verb. Scientists ponder the existence of life on other planets, but no one has proven it yet. So that is your vocabulary word. I know I kind of went out of order today, but that is your vocabulary word. So you can pause the video and write that. And I'm going to go ahead and end the video there. So you guys have a great day, and I will see you all back tomorrow. Bye.